So here's a really good one. You have a mono microphone and it records to only one channel. Now I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix this problem. So let's play a little bit of the audio that I recorded earlier with a mono microphone, and you'll see that it only shows up on the left channel. If you're new to voiceovers in video and you are recording with a mono microphone like I am here in this tutorial, you'll notice that when you apply your audio to a new sequence on the timeline in Premiere Pro, that it only shows up on one channel. So here is the fastest way to fix this. So I have the audio on my timeline here. Right click, you're going to go to Audio Channels. You're going to go here and you're simply going to change this from here to here. So you're going to see that both now are lit up on the left channel. And now we're going to click OK. And now when we play it back, watch, you're going to see both left and right channels appearing. So let's listen and you'll hear the difference. If you're new to voiceovers in video and you are recording with a mono microphone, so there we have it. Super easy, super fast. That is a fast way to fix audio coming from a mono microphone.